This is a summary of the food studies topic, food properties, structures, and using ingredients. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content of this course topic. The combination of ingredients in cooking determines the characteristics of the final product. Colloidal structures can be formed when certain ingredients are combined and evenly mixed together. Suspensions occur when solid ingredients are held within a liquid, such as in starch sauces. Gels are formed when a small amount of solid sets a large amount of liquid, like in jams and marmalades. Emulsions are created when oil and water are shaken together, but they can separate if left undisturbed. Stable emulsions can be achieved by using emulsifying agents to keep the oil and water together. Foams are created when air is mixed into a liquid, resulting in a light and airy structure. Meringue is a foam-based food that can become unstable if certain factors, like yolk or fat, are introduced. Air can be incorporated into food mixtures to give them a light and airy texture. Raising agents like steam, air, and carbon dioxide help food products rise and create a light texture. Accurate measurement and proportion of ingredients are crucial for achieving desired outcomes in cooking. From a small number of techniques, a range of products can be made by using different ingredients that change taste, appearance, and structure. The basic ingredients of cakes have different roles. Flour for structure, fat for moisture, flavor, and to trap air. Sugar to sweeten, hold air and to rise, plus eggs to color, form emulsions or foams. For ways of making cakes are creamed, whisked, rubbed in and melted. Basic bread ingredients are flour, yeast, liquid and salt, but adding other ingredients including butter but even fruits or savory items like olives helps create a wide range of different breads.